today's look, I will be doing a smoky eye. This will be a more universal smoky eye that anybody can wear out on a night out. Just very casual, a deep smoky eye. So for the first step, I will apply Painterly, which is a Prolongwear Paintpot, as a primer all over the lid with a 242 brush, which is just a little flat synthetic brush. For the first step, you can go ahead and apply it starting right under the brow. So you pick up very little, you don't have to use too much. And you can also use this to clean up your brow after you do fill it in. So you just want to go all the way down to the lid. The Prolongwear Paintpot is really cool because it's actually a cream-based eyeshadow that lasts 15 hours, and anything you put over it will also last 15 hours. So you want to do that to both lids. Just straight up, clean the brow, and bring it all the way down. For this look, we're not going to be doing it so thick, just enough to have the paint pot grab onto the shadow. And next, I am going to go in with my Feline Kohl Power Eye Pencil. And this, we're not going to be so neat with it. You just want to go ahead and layer it all along the lash line. Just like this. We will be using, this is a neutral shadow. This is called Fashion Fix. So just anything that's like a light gray, not so dark. This will be the transition color. Actually, I should have done that step first. So you just want to go ahead and grab some. This is my 217 brush, so it's a little fluffy brush. And we're gonna start right at the transition spot. And you just wanna go left and right, like a little windshield wipers. And you're gonna start bringing that down to the shadow. So what we're doing is using the shadow to blend out the pencil that we use as a base. And Feline is a great pencil to use because it's so pigmented. Sorry. Feline is a great pencil to use because it gives you so much color and wearability. You can't even see my mouth here though, right? Which is good. So we're just gonna blend it out, and like that. I'm gonna go back in with your pencil. You're gonna line the bottom, the water line. While you do the bottom water line, you also wanna do the top one. The easiest way to do that is literally just close your eye as you're running the pencil through the water line. You just do that. You can go ahead and add a little bit more if you want to make it more intense. Just make sure to blend it out. And then for the bottom, we're going to be using a 215 brush. Is it focused? 215 brush, and you're going to go ahead and just blend this part out with the same shadow. So you want to pick a little bit up and then just go ahead and run it through the lash line. You're kind of picking up a little bit of that pencil and it's smudging. And at the same time you're applying the shadow over the pencil, it is setting it so it won't move either. So just like that. And then with the same brush, you can go ahead and grab onto our black eyeshadow. This is Carbon, and it has a little hole in there because this was my first eyeshadow that I ever bought from MAC. So it's really good. So you just tap a little bit in. If you want to intensify the bottom, you can totally go ahead and do this. And just run it right through. We're also going to pick up more and just frame the eye with Carbon shadow. Just like that. You can go as high as you want, as dark as you want. You can tap and then just kind of run it through. And there we go. After this, you go ahead and grab your mascara. Make sure to curl your lashes first. I already did that. So you want to just go ahead and grab it. This is my in Extreme Dimension 3D mascara. I love it because it gives you length, volume, and it curls it at the same time. This is not waterproof, but they do have a waterproof version. So you just want to go ahead and run it through from the root to the tip of the lash. And just run it through, and then you can do the bottom lash line. With the tip of the brush, it does have some fibers there, so you can go ahead and brush it and apply it. On the bottom lash line, the inner and outer corners, and you can also use it to separate the lashes. Like that. It's a quick and easy smoky eye. If you want to, you can always add some gloss to it and make it a glossy eye. Add some highlighter to like the inner corner or on the top lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to transform it real quick with a Dazzle shadow, which is Let's Roll. This has a little bit of, it's very like dimensional, so it has like gold, red, orange. I don't know if you can see. So we're literally just gonna go ahead and use our finger. I like to use my ring finger because it doesn't give you too much pressure, but just enough to apply it. So you literally just grab some like this, and I like to do it closer to the inner corner, and then just tap it out. And the more you tap, it's almost like you're blending it. And sometimes I like to go a little crazy and just do it all the way to my brow bone. This is cool for like a nice night out when you're surrounded by low light. This is gonna catch all the light. So there you go. That's just a quicker way to transform just a regular smoky eye that anybody can do. And I literally used what, like 3 products? So it's gonna be your Feline pencil. This is your eyeshadow, which I use Fashion Fix, and Painterly Prolongwear Paintpot, and of course your mascara. This is all you need to give you a really nice classic smoky eye to wear on the night out. Should I do the other eye?